My name is Lola, and I am 12. And these are the tales of the unexpected by me. Well, I'm a therapy dog that people love to see. I've worked in hospitals, in prisons, in schools, and I've even been on TV. So, is that what's special and so unexpected about me?
There can only be one winner, and the dog that caught my eye was Winnie the pointer. So she was the winner of the golden oldie category. She's just so professional. She was a proper showgirl, beautiful coat, beautiful movement, just really stuck out for me. All of them are fantastic, but I have to say Winnie just won me over, completely won me over.
So Winnie, the winner.